All right, welcome back to the YouTube Motors YouTube channel and the auction review series. This is episode, I believe it's 13, and today we're going back to our roots. Well, old disco, right? 200,000 miles, 97 Land Rover Discovery SD, exact same spec as my $1,000 disco, in a nicely dilapidated, unwashed, potentially unrunning state at a shady auction in Georgia or outside of Atlanta. And from the looks of it, this thing hasn't moved in a while, but it doesn't look rusty. So it's as is, and I'm pretty sure there's a clause for no arbitration. So we don't know if it runs, we don't know if it drives, we don't know if it's exploded. We don't know if the frame is Swiss cheese. We know absolutely nothing about this truck, besides that it's white, it's a disco, it doesn't look rusty, and it's a trap, right? This is Rover guy bait. Something about a clean-looking white disco that, kind of gets things moving in the wrong direction, if you know what I mean. Again, it's complete. Sorry, we're back to the addendum here, which basically says you buy this car, you have to be a man and eat the consequences. But again, there's no description, there's no anything. It goes on sale Thursday. 5 owners, which is a little bit odd, and I'm assuming it's just been sitting for a while. It's either a repo. I'm also thinking that I saw this car in an IIA insurance auction, so it probably has a salvage title or something like that, just due from being repossessed or something. But it's all there, right? You've got the tire cover in the back, you've got the mats, all the badging's good, you've got some weird wonky headlights, got a dent in the side, you've got the running boards, you've got the roof rails, you've got, I think I already mentioned, the floor mats. Even the one in the back. It's just real dirty, right? So this is a great, even if it doesn't run, this is a great parts rig, seeing how complete it is. It probably has a rusty rear tailgate latch that can be shimmied open, but man, it's all there. That's a complete truck. And, I don't know look, there's the battery in the inside. The outside battery's on the inside, which is good and bad, right? But it has keys. All the trims there. It's definitely a 4-liter gem, so it's a 97. It's got the radio. I think that's big. If it's original and all there, that's something, right? I got the wood package. This is fine. I'd like to know more about it. I'd like to know if it runs. I'd like to think they didn't just forklift it to its current position, right? And then maybe drove there and they pulled the battery. It's got a battery drain. I have no idea. I don't know how it would be shipped, right? Here's the biggest issue. If you buy something like this and it doesn't run well, how are you going to ship it? It's cost so much more money. They can't put it on a large car hauler if it doesn't start or something like that. So little information like that really kind of allows this stuff to sit even longer. They need to specify this type of thing. But maybe I'm just naive and don't know. So this goes on for sale Thursday. If you're interested, let me know. We can bid on it. And until then, have fun with Rover Roulette. This truck is Rover Roulette. We're going to bid on a supercharged right now. So thanks for watching. Check in the next one.